girl Shayshaymua, and thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. Let's get right into it. So you guys know I'm always coming on here so I can share some of my favorite products with you all. And of course, it's a means for y'all to go and get it because it be giving what it's giving. Anyway, I wanted to feature one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. Listen, I don't think you guys understand. Eyeshadow is everything. When I tell you it pop them eyes, like pop them eyes. So you want to make sure that you get a eyeshadow palette that is just phenomenal in pigment. So I have the product for you. Without further ado, I'm going to introduce to you Huda Beauty. Yes, honey. This right here. I don't think y'all understand. This is a serious pigmented eyeshadow palette. If you ain't got it, you need to go get it. Now, I ain't gonna lie now. It is a little expensive. But you know what? It's worth it. That is absolutely gorgeous. So y'all see the golds, y'all see the shimmers. Yeah, I have been digging in them. Digging is crazy. But yes, I have been using these particular shadows consistently. So let me just do a couple swatches. I ain't gonna do too much because like I said, I will make sure to have this particular palette in the description box below so you guys can go check it out. It comes with shimmers, it comes with matte eyeshadows, and it also has somewhat of a creamy base, which could be used as an eyeliner. But yes, this product is just this eyeshadow palette, it is absolutely gorgeous. It is absolutely amazing. And as a matter of fact, like I said, I'm about to do a few swatches so you guys can see on the back of my hand. And this will be without primer. Usually I apply eyeshadow primer on my lid before applying this because I like for it to pop, okay? I'm talking about pop. So even without, it's going to give what it needs to give. So I'm going to swatch the shade Charisma, which is this shade right here, so that you guys can see exactly how it looks. So I'm going to put some on my finger. And as you can see, it is so pretty. It is a really beautiful, beautiful pigmented color. So I'm just going to swatch it on my hand so you can see how it looks. Play with it if you want to. Like, that's without eyeshadow primer. Absolutely, positively gorgeous. Alright, I'm about to swatch one of my faves, which is Limitless. And this shade right here. Look at it. Look how rich and pigmented that is. And I'm just simply going to swatch it on my hand. Look at that. Like, it is so pretty. I'm going to do another shimmer, and it's called Do It. Do It. You gotta do it. Do it. And that is this shade right here. And this is a nice, rich earth tone color. Right here. Look at that. So I'm not gonna steer you wrong, because at the end of the day, like, the palette is giving what it needs to give. Okay? It's giving what it needs to give. But yes, I'm going to swatch one of these matte colors as well so you guys can see exactly how well the matte does as well. And I'm going to use my pinky for this one because I'm running out of fingers here. But I'm just going to put it on, and I'm using the shade Keep Going, which is this one here. That's what Keep Going looks like. And I'm just going to swatch it here. Look at that. But anyway, don't listen to me. You can go and pick it up yourself. I absolutely love this palette. Like I said, it is one of my favorites. All of my clients know about her because I be giving what it needs to give when it comes to them eyes. And this particular product here, which is very pigmented, the shimmers are amazing, as well as the matte eyeshadows. And it just, a little goes a long way. It covers very well. And with applying eyeshadow primer, you can only imagine what this will do. But just so you know, I will be doing a review, a tutorial using this palette so that you can see how beautiful that the pigment is in this particular eyeshadow palette. But like I said, this is more on the high end, but by all means, it's a great investment. I've had this eyeshadow palette for quite some time now, and a little goes a long way. So if you would like to pick this up, I suggest you do so, because listen, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is where it's at. All the products that I share with you guys, these are products that I use in my kit on a day-to-day basis, and they're just absolutely amazing. But yes, get into it. Just do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. All right, that concludes this review. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Please share as well, because you know, you gotta share with your girls. You know what I'm saying? Don't be stingy. But thank you so much for tuning into my channel. And as I always say, until next time, keep smiling.